Inglés para tu vida. How are you? Are you fine? Yes? Before we start with the class of today, don't forget to subscribe to your channel Inglés para tu vida. It's very simple. And share this video with all the people that you know want to learn English. Well, in our first 5 classes, we were talking about different topics, and I will invite you to check here my last 5 videos. In the first one, we checked the spelling of our names, the spelling of our surnames, how do we spell different words, and I had some application exercises in those videos. In our class number 2, we were checking numbers, and also we had listening exercises. Numbers, I believe, from 1 to 0, because we were talking about telephone numbers. In my video number 3, we were talking about how old are you? So we were checking our ages, how do we say that, the differences between the pronunciation of number 13 and number 30, number 14 and number 40, etc., etc., etc. And also in the video number 4, we had the days of the week, also with exercises. Finally, in the video number 5, I put here the months of the year, also with application exercises. But today we are going to do a kind of recapitulation of all these 5 videos with exercises that can help you, especially speaking exercises. Yes! So, in the first one, we were checking the spelling of our names. And the question is, how do you spell your name? And also, can you spell your name? Can you spell your last name? For example, what about if I ask you, can you spell your name? Yes, I can. My name is Gissella. Can you spell your last name? Yes, my last name is Vega. If you are interested in sending me a voice message with the pronunciation of your name and your last name, you can do it. My telephone number is +51 946 182 165. All right? Excellent. Then, so these are the questions that we are going to practice. Also, in the first video, as we checked all the pronunciation of the letters and the spelling of the words, I can ask you to spell some words. For example, can you spell refrigerator? And you can say REFRIGERATOR, right? You can send me also your voice message with when you are spelling these words to my telephone number, all right? Well, in the second video that I uploaded, we have the numbers to give your telephone number. So the question was, what's your telephone number? What's your telephone number? Remember that in English we say the numbers 1 by 1. Even in Spanish we use it to say 2 numbers or 3 numbers. In English we say it 1 by 1. And in some cases we call the 0 in American English, and also in British English, O. That's right. At the airport also, I'm sure that they also use that part of O, all right? So you can send me a voice message with the telephone number that you have, or you can invent one. The idea is that you practice. In video number 3, we have, how old are you? Okay, that class is something that I really love, because I practice all the numbers from 0 to 104, all right? So, how old are you? How old are you? I'm 45 years old. What about you? How old are you? Excellent. Then we have the days of the week. And we can practice what day is today, what day is it going to be tomorrow, what day was yesterday. Yesterday it was Monday. Yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. So we are practicing like 3 days, right? 3 days. That's right. Then I had the video about the months of the year, where we practice when's your birthday. Now, when we talk about when's your birthday, we can say that if you are only talking about the month, you can use the preposition in. When's your birthday? It's in October. When's your birthday? It's in April, it's in May, it's in June, it's in July. Always with the preposition in. But if we are given a complete date, you are going to use the preposition on. When's your birthday? It's on October the 31st. And for that we need other kind of numbers, not the ordinal but the cardinals, but we're going to check it in another video. Alright? So for video number 4 we can use the preposition in. When's your birthday? It's in May, it's in April, it's in June, it's in July, etc. Alright? So we had many questions and we can create a dialogue that starts with, "Hi, what's your name?" "My name's Gisela." "Can you spell your name?" "Yes, it's Gissella." "Good. What's your last name?" "My last name is Vega." "Can you spell that?" "Sure, it's Vega." Great. How old are you? "I'm 45 years old." Very good. What's your telephone number? "My telephone number is 946-182-165. Great. And then about the days of the week. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. And yesterday was Monday. Very good. Finally, with the months of the year. Which month are we on right now? We are in December. We are in December. Next month is January. Last month was November. November. Very good. And many other questions like, when's Saint Valentine's? It's in February. When's Christmas? It's in December. When's Thanksgiving Day? It's in November. Well, in my country we celebrate Mother's Day in May. In some other countries like Argentina, I think it's in September. So that depends, alright? But with the first 5 classes in Inglés para tu Vida, you are speaking English from the beginning, from zero. The only thing that you have to do is you have to watch the videos and repeat the classes. I'm trying to do short classes between 6 minutes, 8 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, so that you can repeat and repeat over and over again and practice. Our methodology in Inglés para tu Vida is based on repetition, right? It's based on repetition. I truly believe that if we repeat structures, not only words but structures, we are going to be able to speak English faster than if we just repeat words or use other methods. So I'm sure that you are going to learn English with Inglés para tu Vida. Thank you so much for your attention. See you in our next class. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and that's all. Thanks so much.